Hello viewer, if your camera keeps stopping, let's see how to fix camera keeps stopping problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Click on apps. Now search camera app. Go to camera. Now scroll down. Click on camera storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from camera app and also clear data from camera app. Now go back to your home screen. Step 2. Open your file manager. Go to manage storage. If your internal storage running out or very low, please free up your internal storage because it can create camera keeps stopping problem. So follow these 2 steps to fix camera keeps stopping problem.